What's up, guys? I'm Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Today we're learning In Bloom by Nirvana. I'm going to call this an intermediate lesson because I'm going to throw in some bar chords, but I will give it to you guys with just the power chords as well. That way any skill level can kind of pull this off. I'll show you the little bass line so you're not doing nothing during that section of the song. And yeah, let's get started. It's in standard tuning. Do me a favor, if you like the video and you enjoy the lesson, consider liking and subscribing. Turn on those post notifications. Follow the links in the description. Head over to the website. Subscribe to the newsletter. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We appreciate the support. Let's get started. We've got power chords to start out with. All right, so I'm going to do 3-finger power chords here. If you just wanted to do the 2, you could, but I'm going to do a 3-finger power chord. All right, so you're going to do index. This is the intro. All right, so I'm going to do index at the 6th fret, 6th string, 3rd finger at the 8th fret, 5th string, and the pinky at the 8th fret, 4th string, all right? 6, 8, and 8, all right? And I'm only strumming those 3. I'm going to go down, up, down, down, and I'm taking that same power chord shape and I'm moving it to the 3rd fret. So this is a B flat, down, up, down, down, and I strum the G and I let it ring. So it's down, up, down, down, 3, 4. That's simple. Down, up, down, down. And then I take that same shape and I move it to the 1st fret F and I go down, up, down, and then up to the 4th fret, down. That's an A flat, and I let that ring. All right, so it's the intro is this: down, up, down, down, 3, 4. 1st fret F, up, down, down, 3, 4 on that A flat, and then I do it again: B flat to G, down, up, down, down, 3, 4, and then I go F, 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 A flat, and I stop it. When I mute that, I do it right here. That's just like the intro goes. So it's F, 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 A flat, and then you're into the B section, what I'm going to call the B section, all right, or the verse, all right, or kind of it's the verse, it's all of the sections kind of to some degree, except for the chorus. So we're going to do it with power chords first. So it's the same exact thing here, except for we're going to do 16th notes and a quarter note, all right? So we're going to go, the verse is a little different here, so you're going to go down, 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 then 2nd fret, G flat, down, 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 same shape. These are those movable chords. Then I'm going to go all the way up to the 11th just to keep it all in one string and keep it simple. And we're going to go down, down, down. And then we're going to go to the 7th fret, B. And we're going to go down, up. And then we're going to move to the A and go down, up. All right, so I'm going to do that again. So I'm doing down, ups here. So you got to kind of get those right. So it's a good time to make sure you practice those as well. You could do all downs and get all punk rock with it, but let's be, versatile guitar players and practice the alternate strumming. So down, up, down to the 2nd fret, G flat, down, down, to the 11th fret, E flat, down, up, down, 7th fret, B, down, up, then to the A, down, up, and then it starts over. So it's starts over. So here's where the intermediate kind of little section of the lesson goes. Let's do all bar chords now, all right? Excuse me. This is a major bar chord, oh my gosh, off of the 6th string, 6th fret. All right, so let's try that. So you're going to put your index at the 6th fret, 6th string, 3rd finger, 8th fret, 5th, pinky, 8th fret, 4th, your middle finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string, and you're going to lay that index finger flat or tilt it back. I kind of like to tilt it on this part of my finger here. It's a little bonier, so I go, and my thumb stays right behind there so I can grip it really nicely, all right? See if this thing will go back in to focus after that. And it really does take a lot of thumb strength here to make this happen, but if you get sore, you can definitely stretch that out. I'll do it right now. But so just like this. So all right. So here we go. So we're gonna go just like this. All right. So you're gonna go the exact same movable shape. If you want to test if you're getting that right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Strum them all individually to hear. If you're hearing like you're not pressing down hard enough, so you want to make sure to kind of push down evenly there, all right? So after a while, you'll get it. It'll take some hand strength, but you may as well try it. So here you go. So you're going to do the exact same movements as far as the frets and chord names go. You're just going to do them all with bar chords. So it's 2nd fret G flat, 11th fret E flat, keeping it on the same string just to make it a little simpler so you can just take the same shape and move it around. 7th, that's B, 5th fret A, back to the 6th fret B flat. And that's this the whole time. Just like that, okay? I made a little mistake there. But when you go to the verse, it's section B, bass only. So when we do that, you might as well learn how to play the bass line so you have something to do during that section. So we're just going to do one note at a time. Same alternate plucking. You're going to go 6 is the B flat, 2 G flat, 11th fret E flat, 7th fret B, 5th fret A, 6th fret B flat, 2nd fret G flat, 11th fret E flat, 7th fret B, 5th fret A. And then when it gets back around and the guitar comes in after the first 2 times through that, you go and you're back into rocking out a little bit there with Kurt Cobain and Dave Grohl and the guys. So when we get to the chorus, now we have a chorus. We have an A section, a B section, and a chorus. We'll call it section C for lack of a better whatever. So look, we're going to do bar chords, but you could do the power chords that would just leave out this. I'm going to do it with bar chords. So you're going to go 3 times from B flat to G. All right, so 6 to 3. So you're going to go 1 and all downs for this. So I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm going to do that 3 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and here's the 3rd time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then I'm going to jump up to the 8th fret C. We haven't done it off the 8th fret yet, and I'm going to go 1 and 2 up, down, just like that. All right, so I'm going to go 8th fret C to the 11th fret E. Here's that rhythm. It's 1 and 2 E and up and 4. So it's down, 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 up, down, or you could do all downs. I mean, let's make it as fun and as simple as possible. If you did all downs, you go down, 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 just like that. That's the chorus. So you got B flat, G, 6th fret B flat, 3rd fret G. One more time, 6th fret B flat, 3rd fret G, and then 8th fret, 1 and 2, E flat, up, down, 1 and 2, E and a 3 and 4. All right, and then you go back down to the intro, basically. So B, we'll do all power chords here to give your middle finger and your hand a rest. So B flat, G, 2, 3, 4, then F, 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 B flat, 3, 4, and B flat, 6th fret, 3rd fret G, 1st fret F, A flat, 4th fret. And then you're back into and that is literally the whole thing. When you get to the last chorus, he does double up the C to the E flat thing. So it's like, don't know what it means. I don't know what it means. I don't know what it means. He does it one more. Don't know what it means. And I said, just like that.